Ka West Gentia Hills District kalayas no lang bat kari barok kaway manrakhe ya ka 13th National Voters Day nagasni bakerpang ban kring bat penslor iki samla samhoy niki nong Thep vote thamai ban shimbenta aka jingji diki nong mikman la rakhe gini gasni bakerpang ki nong Thep vote ha JNV Mukla bat menta ka kenti ka Synshar District kala jit ya u ansa Freddy Clem kum uway niki nongmi khamat ki breu ki padan jingduna niki persons with disabilities. Kamat padeng jong kanika National Voters Day how new snem kalong nothing like voting I vote for sure. Deputy Commissioner uba BS Soklia ki additional Deputy Commissioner ma MA Chalam kong EL Warjri bat ka kong HML Kinta bat ki extra Assistant Commissioner uma S Phanbo bat one kraw ki Kharbuli kaliadan lang hagajing yalang. Deputy Commissioner haba ajing keren hagani gasni ula kintui ki samla ki ban yo Thep vote ningkong ban yashim benta shit rehem hagani ki election ka banwan haga arpu nyotrek ubnai rempang arajar arpulai. Ula ongru kajing yashim benta hagajing Thep vote kan penklan bat penim ni ka synshar paidbah hagani ka ri ka bangi shongi sa bat ka hok Thep vote kadai ka hok jong wei pu wei nong song shnong u ne badap khat pras nem shaneng kabalapan scam ru de yeng bishar bah khri du kari ka Supreme Court. Hagani gasni Deputy Commissioner ula samru ya ki electoral photo identity card ne ki epic sha ki arpu sangut ki nong Thep vote thamai hagasnong mukla.
Voting as already enunciated, it's a right, it's a legal right, it's a constitutional right, and at this point in time I urge the young people and of course all of us who are already enrolled in the electoral rolls to step out, to come out on the 27th of February to cast your votes. And in doing so, you will be an instrument. Although you feel perhaps at the time when you enter the polling station and you go to the balloting unit to press on a button of your choice, at that point in time you're alone. You feel you're alone. I'm going to press this button, I'm alone here. But there are millions of you in the state who are going to do just that at that time.
Uma MA Chalam ulapun kuburam ru ya unong mi khmat ki breu badan jingduna u ansa Freddy Clem hagani gasni. Usamla ansa ula kentu ya barok ki parlok ki badan jingduna kumma u banya shimbenta shit rehem hagani ki election. Uba W Kharbuli ubalayalam ni ki paidbah bat ki nong Thep vote thamai ban pule ya ka jingkular ne ka pledge.
And to urge each and every one of us to take the opportunity to present ourselves as normal and true citizens of our beloved India by taking part as a voter in this coming election and in any other elections in the future.